Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to withdraw money from WooCommerce. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here, where in the upper right corner you can get started logging into your account. So go ahead and log in if you have not already, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where at the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with managing payments from our WooCommerce store and withdrawing our money. So basically guys, you can see here we have the WooCommerce option that's going to enable us to start a new store if you do not already have one. If you already have a store, you can manage it from the WooCommerce section right here. But for today's video guys, we are going to need a plugin. We want to go into the plugin section right here. By clicking the plugin section, this is going to open up this new plugins marketplace where you can find all the plugins we have for our store and for our website, and we can use the search bar right here at the top of the screen by searching for WooCommerce payments. This is what we want to search for: WooCommerce pay and something like that. So by searching for WooCommerce, it's going to give you a result of all the results of WooCommerce and its payment plugins that you have. As you can see, this is the first one right here, the Woo Payments, integrated WooCommerce payments that you can add to your store. So basically guys, by clicking the install button that's going to appear right here, you can add it to your website and to your WooCommerce store, and then you'll be able to accept any payments you want for your WooCommerce store, and from then you'll be able to withdraw it using the sections you find right here in your WooCommerce plugin section, and you'll be able to use it normally, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.